everyone, Assalamu so welcome back to the another video. So in this video I'll give you 3 face exercise which can decrease your double chin and can strong your jawline. If you are following me and seeing my first video, you can see the my fat in my cheeks and the double chin of my face. So after that I'm doing 3 exercises regularly which can really help me a lot. So the first exercise I'm going to share with you guys is fish face. So what you can do is you can excuse your cheeks in like this and release. So these 3 exercises which really helps me a lot and can maintain my face from fatty face to strong jawline face. So if you are trying these 3 exercises at home, they will definitely decrease your face fat and can make your jawline strong. So yeah, that's the video for today. Bye guys. Take care and अपने वालिदैन का ख्याल रखें.